Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update applications on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to update applications on your watch, you will need to do a few things. You will need to connect your watch to the internet, of course. So do it by connecting it to the Wi-Fi or LTE, and you will need to have a Google account signed in on your watch so you can use the Google Play services. And to sign in Google account, you need to go to settings, scroll through the settings, find the Google option, tap on accounts, and you should have the account right here. If you don't have any account right here, you will need to tap on add account, and when you see this pop up, you will need to grab your phone that is paired with your watch, and if you tap on this icon, you will see page showing up on your phone, and you can choose the account, then tap on continue, and once it signs in, you will see the account right here on this page. And once you have the internet and account, you can open the Play Store on your watch, and then scroll down, tap on manage apps, and here you have the list of applications you can update. You have updates available, and you can tap on update all to kill all of them, and then just leave them alone and they will install or update automatically. Or you can just update the ones you want. You can tap on the app, tap on update, and it will start downloading, updating, and after it's done, the app will disappear from the update list. So let's wait. It should be quite soon. Okay, and if you go back, the app will disappear, and that's how you know it updated, because it's not on the update available or updates available list anymore. Like I said before, you can update them all if you want to. I'm just gonna skip that for now because I don't need to update them. Okay, and that's how you update applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.